Are there any special products or methods that can help prevent tarnish on sterling silver items?
Hello there, silver lovers. Today we are going to learn about some special products and methods that can help you prevent tarnish on your sterling silver items. As we all know, sterling silver is beautiful, but its luster can fade over time due to tarnishing. Thankfully, there are various methods we can employ to keep our silver items gleaming like new. Let's dive in.
What is tarnish?
First, let's understand what tarnish is. Tarnish is a thin layer of corrosion that forms on sterling silver and other metals, as their outermost layer undergoes a chemical reaction. This reaction is often due to exposure to air and moisture, but it can also be triggered by exposure to certain chemicals. Tarnishing isn't a sign of bad silver. Even the best quality sterling silver items can tarnish over time. But don't worry, there are effective ways to prevent and treat it.
Proper storage is key.
One of the simplest ways to prevent tarnish is by storing your silver items properly. Whenever you're not using them, you should store them in a cool, dry place. Avoid areas with high humidity, such as bathrooms or basements. To go a step further, you can also use anti-tarnish strips. These strips are made of non-toxic materials that absorb tarnish-causing gases before they can affect your silver. Simply place a strip in the same box or bag as your silver items, and replace the strips every 6 to 12 months for best results. Another great option for storage is anti-tarnish cloth. This cloth has been treated to neutralize tarnish-causing gases. You can wrap your silver items in this cloth or store them in a bag made from this material.
The role of regular cleaning.
While proper storage is an important preventative measure, regular cleaning of your silver items is also crucial. Cleaning removes the existing tarnish and slows down future tarnish formation. You can clean your silver items with a soft, lint-free cloth. There are also commercial silver polishing cloths that contain anti-tarnish ingredients. For more thorough cleaning, consider using a gentle, non-abrasive silver cleaner. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions to avoid damage. Remember to rinse your items thoroughly after cleaning to remove any residual cleaning solution, and dry them well to prevent moisture from causing tarnish.
Other preventative measures.
There are also some general tips you can follow to keep your silver shining. Avoid exposure to harmful substances. Certain substances like perfume, hairspray, chlorine, and even rubber can speed up the tarnishing process. So, keep your silver items away from these substances. Wear your silver often. Believe it or not, regular use of your silver jewelry can help keep it tarnish-free. The oils in your skin can help clean the silver and keep tarnish at bay. That wraps up our guide on preventing tarnish on sterling silver items. With proper care, storage, and regular cleaning, you can maintain the luster of your sterling silver pieces for years to come. We hope this video has been helpful. Keep your silver shining and let it continue to enhance your style and elegance. Until next time, keep sparkling.